How long does it take to get to work?
It takes about 30 minutes by bus.
How long have you lived in this city?
I have lived here for 5 years.
How long does it take to cook dinner?
It usually takes about an hour.
How long have you been studying English?
I have been studying English for 2 years.
How long will you stay in London?
I will stay for a week.
How long does it take to walk to the park?
It takes about 15 minutes.
How long have you known him?
I have known him since high school.
How long have you been waiting?
I have been waiting for 20 minutes.
How long is the flight to New York?
The flight is about 6 hours.
How long does it take to charge your phone?
It takes about an hour and a half.
How long will it take to finish the project?
It will take about a month.
How long does a football match last?
A football match lasts for 90 minutes.
How long does winter last here?
Winter lasts for about 3 months.
How long does it take to recover from a cold?
It usually takes about a week.
How long have you been working here?
I have been working here for 3 years.
How long does it take to get a passport?
It usually takes around 4 weeks.
How long will it take to fix my car?
It will take a couple of days.